Hello viewers, welcome to Ultimate Gaming Guide. As usual, I'm Tanver, and in this video I'll be showing you how can you set up multiple monitors for your computer. So in order to have multiple monitors, you must have a GPU that has multiple ports. For instance, here you can see this GPU has like 4 ports, like 1 HDMI port and 3 display ports. So you must have a GPU that has multiple ports in it, or sometimes you can have a motherboard that has a multiple ports. Like for instance, in this is an ASRock B450M motherboard, and it has one HDMI port and 1 display port, so it at least have 2 ports, so this will also work. So once you have that requirement done, I mean once you have multiple ports, like for instance, I have multiple ports in this GPU. So you plugged in your HDMI or display ports in 2 of these ports, and you plug in the other end of the HDMI ports or display ports into your monitors. And then what do you have to do? You have to physically set it up. For instance, this is the easiest setup, like 2 horizontal stand, like a dual horizontal stand, just 2 monitors. So you can see these 2 are just 2 horizontally set up, and alternatively you can also have like one of them set it up horizontally, another one of them like vertically. So no matter how you set it up, it will work, but at the very first at the beginning, when you just plugged it in, it's not gonna set up correctly. You have to fix it in the software or in your Windows system. So all you do is just go to your desktop and like right click and click display setting. And for at first it's not going to be set up correctly. So what you have to do is like you have to come over here and select like extend these displays. Normally it's like selected as default duplicate this display. So you want to click here and select extend these displays. That way they're going to be separated. And then you want to click identify to see which monitor is which one. So like here, this is the monitor number 2, and on my left side the monitor is monitor number 1. And then you want to select your main monitor. For instance, the monitor 2 is my main monitor, but if you want to make monitor 1 or your main monitor, all you have to do just check mark this, make this my main display. Okay, for instance, if your monitors are like set up on top of each other, all you're gonna do is just click one and put it on top of each other, and then click apply, and it's gonna be oriented correctly. And then for instance, if you have one monitor set up like vertically, like for instance, if my left monitor number 8 is set up vertically, so all I have to do is just go down and select portrait instead of landscape, and click keep changes. And then you just want to move it to see which one, which orient. Just experiment with it, see whatever works best for you. And the best way to see it, like put your mouse cursor and go to see if your mouse cursor can like smoothly go from one monitor to another monitor, and that's how you change its position. It's normally your physical position. You just want to mimic your physical position right here in this software position. That way it's gonna work correctly. All right, I hope this little tutorial was helpful to you and it was informative. Be sure to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching. You guys have a good one.